Is your call center struggling with outdated tech or unpredictable costs? Many businesses face these exact challenges, hindering their customer service and sales efforts. Imagine a system that streamlines everything, making your operations smoother and more efficient. You're probably wondering about the high upfront costs of traditional call center software, or the headache of maintaining complex systems. And what about scalability? Growing businesses need a solution that can expand as they do, without constant upgrades or unexpected expenses. eTollfree offers hosted VICIdial, a powerful open-source call center dialer that eliminates these worries. It's fully managed, meaning no hardware to buy, no software to install, and no IT headaches for you. Plus, our scalable solutions grow with your business, ensuring you only pay for what you need. Experience the freedom of a fully managed, high-performance call center dialer. It's time to optimize your operations and elevate your customer interactions. Schedule a free 15-minute consultation with one of our communication consultants at eTollfree.net.